excited because it's nighttime and it's awesome to see Vegas with the lights, so I'm really excited.
Yeah, I'm really excited. I've never been on a helicopter before, let alone to Vegas, so it's kind of the best of both worlds. I'm really looking forward to it.
Breathtaking.
It was great. Yeah. Great. Everything we expected and more.
We went at a good time, so like someone who works in here told us, like, you're gonna see the topography in there, you're gonna see the lights, the sunset. It was really, really nice.
Yeah, we got a mix of the sunset and the lights, and then you got really close to a lot of the areas. It was awesome.
Stratosphere building. That was pretty cool.
Yeah, that was pretty awesome. They were taking pictures of us, I'm pretty sure.
First timers! Woo! We got to see the whole city. It was beautiful. The boulevard and the strip of Vegas, so in light.
Anxious.
I'm excited.
Ready to go.
A little nervous, but you know, exciting, I think.